So welcome back, traders. How you all doing today? So let's quickly do a quick analysis on our currency pair for today. So if you are interested in any of our analysis, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now let's get started. The first one we have here we'll be looking at is our USD index, by the way. So what we are aiming for is that we are still aiming for a movement upward, by the way. That's what I'm still aiming for, because I am planning to actually sell my USD, by the way. But first of all, before that, let's see where our price will be moving for today. So where our price probably moving for today is like we still be having a bullish move for today. That should be giving us about, let's say, if we can be able to grab about 40 to 50, I think, points for today. But I am aiming here that we would have that huge reversal. Probably we should move our price should get here, then we would have that rejection downward. That is exactly what I am looking for on our USD index. So for today, let's continue to go up. Probably tomorrow we will see that push up, then before you can actually now see that reversal. As you can see, our price is actually going, bullish massively, so we should continue be seeing that bullish move. So now our first currency pair we will be looking at is our Euro USD. One thing that I know about our Euro USD is that our euro is about to push up, but before we actually see that push up, our USD to actually start falling. So probably we should actually be seeing some bearish move, or we should be seeing a consolidation around this our area here, because I doubt if we would see that massive, sell downward. I doubt if we'll be able to see it sell down. But let's see if our price will actually be ranging around this area. But one thing we are planning to do on our Euro USD is actually to take our buy position. So let's wait for the setup before you actually take our buy position on our Euro USD that I am planning for today. So I won't be taking any trade on this my Euro USD, not at all. I won't be taking it at all. I'll be waiting for price to place out before we actually go. So now our next currency pair we have is our pound USD. Like I said, I'm aiming to actually go bullish on our pound USD. As we can see, we are seeing a rejection around this area. Do not forget that our price can even break below and go down. But by the way, overall, before the end of this week, we should actually see that movement upward. That is exactly what I am aiming for. As we can, if we are to compare our pound index, you see that we will start having that bullish move on our pound. So we should be waiting for a bullish move on our pound. Here we can see our support line, whereby our price is actually failing to break below here. So actually we should be waiting for that buy setup before we actually take our buy position. Now on our USDJPY, since our USD index, as we can see, our USD index is actually very bullish. We should actually be going bullish, by the way. But I think before we actually take our bullish trade, let us wait for reversal. Let's see if we can be able to retracement, by the way. If you can see that good amount of retracement on our 4-hour time frame, a retracement of between 20, 30, 40 pips, then we can actually take our continue buy position here. As you can see, we are having a massive bullish run up. So taking our buy position, I won't advise of that. Wait, see our price actually pull back, then before you actually go for our buy. And if you take your buy now, there's still no problem. As you can see that our price is actually ranging here, which means our price is just come down a little bit before push up, or we will continue seeing that push up immediately. On our USDJPY, on our USD our USD is actually going bullish, so we should continue seeing that bullish up more before you can actually see that retracement. That is exactly what I am seeing here. As you can see that there are rejection around this area here, so definitely we will be seeing that rejection around this area here. So be very, very careful if you have to take your buy on our USD card. If you have to take our buy on USD card now, it will be giving us, we should be able to grab about 40 pips, which is actually not bad, by the way. So day trade, grabbing 40 pips a day is actually not bad. So you can actually take your buy position, but be looking at this area here for possible reversal. And we should also be looking, and if possibly we see that breakout of this our area here, then definitely we should be able to see that rejection around this our area here. Then definitely we should be able to see the fall around this our area here. So exactly what we are looking for on our USD card, on our AUDUSD, definitely we are having a fall, by the way. So I'm looking for that fall. I've even taken my short position, by the way. I've taken my sell position. So actually you should see the fall around this area here before you can actually see, you know, a good retracement. Then probably we can continue seeing that fall or a reversal move, definitely. But here should be an area of where price will probably continue going downward or have that, you know, reversal move. So when I'm taking my sell position, I'm planning to grab about 70, say, you know, 70 pips. That is about, you know, $1 each on a pips. That is about $70 if I'm correct on this my trade, by the way. So on our New Zealand USD, definitely I'm looking for a fall here. I don't mind if I actually get the fall to this my area here, because one thing about this you know, market bank traders, or how they trade their price, is that they try to deceive the trader. You know, a lot of trader will start say, okay, now we will start having something like, you know, buy position up here. We might start having something as buy position here, whereby our, you know, price will just push it down to this our liquidity low before actually start taking that buy position. So that is why I am actually not taking any trade on this my New Zealand USD. And if we are to take a trade, if I'm to advise how should we trade it, I'll say we should actually go bullish on our New Zealand USD. But first of all, wait to actually get that, you know, bullish signal on our 30 minutes time frame. If our price can manage to break around here, if the price can actually break around there, comes back, retests our area, and we see that our price is now pushing up, then I don't mind actually taking our buy on our New Zealand. Or you can equally wait for our New Zealand to actually push below this our area here before you can actually take, you know, that sell buy position. But definitely, if you have to see it on our daily time frame, you can see that our price is actually pushing down, and there's every possibility our price will push down to this our area here. So I'm watching for this our area for reversal, you know, movement upward. On our USD Swiss franc, this is exactly what I'm aiming for. Our price will actually push up before pushing down, which our price have done that massively. It has come down. I'm seeing that if our price can actually now, you know, push up, probably hit this our area here before you actually continue to see that move. But since our USD is actually still bullish, then definitely we would want to be going bullish straight to this our area here, whereby our price has reacted here, reacted here, reacted here. So definitely it has even reacted here. So definitely it will push up and react to this our area, you know, downward. Exactly what I am aiming for to trade. So thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.